Hot oil air-cooled pump for chemical industry. Sujal Engineering has recently installed his highly efficient hot oil air-cooled pump in one of the reputed chemical plants. It is used to transfer the thermic fluid oil. Our pump has the capacity of 450 m³ per hour and having a head of up to 150 meters. It can handle the pressure up to 15 kilograms with temperature from -60 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. No bearing oil is required. Sujal Engineering is the most advanced industrial pumps manufacturers in India. For more information about our hot oil air-cooled pumps, visit our website www.sujalpumps.com.